ठीक से नहीं हो सकती तुम। सब बता रहे मुझसे पूछे बगैर कोई काम नहीं होगा इस घर में।
शादी से पहले मेरी एक बहुत तवील लंबी ज़िंदगी है जिसमें जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था और शादी प्रेशराइज दबाव डालकर की गई थी जब मेरी उम्र 17 इयर्स थी। शादी के 3 मंथ के बाद से मेरी ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसा बदलाव आया जो मैं नहीं समझ पाई कि मुझे घर के बाहर निकलकर कोई काम करने का परमिशन नहीं था। बस एक छोटी सी इस बात को लेकर उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा इंतशार पैदा किया, जिसके बाद में मेरे फेस को घायल सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ मेरे हस्बैंड ने किया। फर्स्ट उन्होंने सीज़र जो घर में होती है और एक नाइफ़ जो होती है, सबसे पहले एक बड़ा सा पत्थर लाया, सर पर दे मारा। उसके बाद जब मैं हालत बेहोशी में थी तो उसी बेहोशी के आलम में उन्होंने मेरे चेहरे पर अपर लिप और नोज़ कट कर दिया। उसके बाद में मैं 21 डेज़ तक कोमा में थी। कोमा से जब मैं बाहर आई तो हॉस्पिटल में अपने आप को पाई।
It is not an unusual complaint in India. Violence against women is widespread, and it is equally visible in small rural pockets of the country. In India, it is estimated that more than 15,000 women suffer from dowry-related violence every year. According to a National Crime Records Bureau report 2009, cruelty by husbands and dowry-related violence together account for 48% of the total crimes against women. Violence against women takes place within confines of home and society. One can say, we have devilishly reconciled with violence against women.
Hello, Bhumika Helpline Andy.
Oxfam India has taken up the responsibility to strengthen the enforcement of legislations. We do it by spreading awareness and empowering women, and do it at family, community, and society levels.
We started this major campaign and program together with support from DFID, which is to reduce the acceptance of violence in our lives. The program consists of 2 major parts. One, we have a very good Domestic Violence Act which was passed in 2005, and we're trying to see how to get it really implemented on the ground. So we've designed a program that provides all kinds of support services on the ground, whether it's helplines or support shelters or training of policemen to make them more sensitive and so on. The second major part of the program, which is on We Can, the We Can campaign, which says that we can lead a life free of violence. And there we work not just with the law but with attitude, changing social attitudes of communities. And we are targeting 2 communities in particular. One is young people and the second is rural communities.
Today, Bhumika Helpline is very popular in remote villages of Andhra Pradesh also. We have 200 volunteers all over Andhra Pradesh. They will help the victims, then they will assist them in filing the cases in police stations and protection officers. Rural women and uneducated women, they are not having any legal knowledge. When they face any problem, where to go, who to approach, because they need help, counseling and advice.
we deploy powerful mediums like local folk art and dance forms. Our campaign focuses on women belonging to Dalit, tribal, and Muslim communities. Our outreach spreads across the country, from Andhra Pradesh to Gujarat, from Odisha to Rajasthan, and to the populous belts of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Jharkhand. Our local interventions have strong lessons. Our allies now put them forward to the Department of Women and Child Development as vitals to strengthen the Protection of Women and Domestic Violence Act 2005.
The biggest thing which Oxfam partnership has been able to get us to do is the convergence with police and judiciary. So that is key to the success of PWDV.
గాడా గోవింద్ అనే అబ్బాయి అండి ప్రేమిస్తున్నానని చెప్పండి శారీరకంగా కలిసామండి ఎవరో లేని టైంలోనండి ఇలా జరిగాక తను ఏం సమాధానం చెప్పలేదండి అప్పుడు చేసుకుంటానని గర్భిణి అని తెలిసాక నేను చేసుకోను నాకు సంబంధం లేదని చెప్పారు
ଆଗଠୁ ଲଉଥିଲା ପୁଣି ସେ ଝିଅକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ବାପା ସହିତ ଆଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଇଲି ସେ ଝିଅଟାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅ ଆଉ ରଖ ନାହିଁ ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ କେସ୍ କରିବି ବୋଲାରୁ ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ିବି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହିଲା ବେଶୀ ଦୁଃଖରେ తిల్లు ଖାଇବାର ନାହିଁ ପିଇବାର ନାହିଁ
మా హస్బెండ్తో గొడవ అయ్యాక అతను కొట్టినప్పుడు నేను వడ్లమూరు మా నాన్నగారి దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసేదాన్ని అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మా వదిన అని తెలిసిన ఒక ఆవిడ ఉంది.
In our program areas, 28% of the women have experienced violence. A majority of them belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and below poverty line households.
మా వదిన సమతలో మెంబర్షిప్ అనమాట తన ఆ విధంగా నన్ను వాళ్ళు ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి మేము మీకున్నామమ్మా నువ్వు భయపడొద్దు నీకు ఏ న్యాయం జరగాలన్నా మేము చేస్తాము
6 months తర్వాత అండి సమత గురించి తెలిసిందండి యూత్ ద్వారా తెలిసిందండి అప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ఫోన్ చేసామండి వాళ్ళ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చండి అన్ని వివరాలు తెలుసుకున్నారండి ఇప్పుడు కూడా సహాయం చేస్తున్నారండి.
In the beginning, it was difficult to talk on violence at all. I am happy that the group of women are all from the same community who are standing against their own convictions.
Oxfam supports women to become the champions of fight against violence that they have been survivor by spreading the campaign on mobilizing and empowering women and men to challenge belief systems and practices.
मेरी ज़िंदगी में एक तरह का बदलाव आया जिसमें मैं अपने जिस कम्युनिटी में रहती हूँ, जिस समाज में रहती हूँ, जिस दुनिया में और जिस एरिया में मैं रहती हूँ, वहाँ रहते हुए सभी लोगों के साथ में जुड़कर मैं काम करना सीखी.
जो अपने हुआ बताए वहाँ भी हेल्प मिल रही है. कुछ करना चाहूँगी मैं भी. थोड़ा बच्चा छोटा है ना, ज़रा बड़ा हो गया बस में सेंटर में टेलरिंग सीख लूँगी मैं. वही सोचे अपनी ज़िंदगी बच्चे के साथ.
These support centers provides counseling to the survivors of domestic violence.
टॉर्चर करना, गालियाँ देना, गंदी गंदी गाली देना. मुझे इतनी नींद की गोली दे दिया कि ये खा के मर जा तू बोल के चले गया. फिर वहाँ से भैया पढ़ाते थे शाइन सेंटर में पहले, तो उनको पूरा मालूम है शाइन सेंटर के बारे में. उन्होंने ही मुझे यहाँ का एड्रेस दिए थे, यहाँ पर जा तुझे हेल्प मिलेगी बोल के. जाके वो लोगों ने फिर मेरी हेल्प करे. वो लोगों ने.
We believe our fight against women violence is also an issue of social empowerment, and we are not alone in this.
In communities, smaller communities, where we are trying to set up vigilance committees, Nyaya Samitis, youth groups, where they can actually go and before the situation reaches a stage of breakdown, what can be done to sort of ease out the situation.
साझा मंच जो है उत्तराखंड के 13 जिलों में भी काम कर रहा है। मेनली साझा मंच का जो पहला हम लोग मीटिंग करते थे कि इस जो एक्ट है PWDBA एक्ट है, तो इसका प्रचार प्रसार ज़्यादा गांव स्तर तक हो सके, क्योंकि हम लोग पहाड़ों में काम करते हैं तो हर गांव हर महिला तक इस कानून की जानकारी नहीं मिल पाती है व्यापक रूप से। और जो वाकई में जो गाँव में जो पीड़ित महिला है, जो घरेलू हिंसा से लगातार कष्ट झेल रही है, दुख झेल रही है, वो अपना केस लेके आए और कोशिश ये करते हैं कि उस महिला को जल्द से जल्द न्याय मिल सके।
Recently we had a case of Pushpa Arya, a young girl of about 19-20 years, and she got involved with a policeman in that area, and he exploited her for 2 years and promised that he will marry her, but finally he ditched her. We persuaded it in 2 ways. Counseling of that girl because she was mentally very disturbed, and at the court level. We put it under DV Act, and the main thing was it was a live-in relationship section we put it under.
ये घटना थी कि वो शादी करना चाहता था। मैं भी उसको बहुत प्यार करती थी, वो भी मुझे बहुत प्यार करता था। मतलब फिर पता नहीं क्या हो गया उसको, मतलब मैं प्रेग्नेंट भी हो गई, मतलब बच्चा होना भी था। मुझे ज़बरदस्ती मतलब बच्चा गिराने की वो धमकी दी मुझे, पुलिस वाला था, क्योंकि वो मैं तो अनपढ़ हूँ, कोई मदद नहीं की मेरी। पुलिस वाले ने भी मेरा साथ छोड़ दिया, अकेली रह गई, भटक गई, बहुत ज़्यादा भटक गई। उसके बाद आप मिले मुझे, मैं यहाँ पहुँची, तब मैं आज यहाँ खड़ी हूँ, नहीं तो क्या था, कुछ भी नहीं था मेरा।
Mass for youth groups in Uttarakhand Vikalp Sanstha are working extensively in this program.
2006 से मैं इस मैसवा ग्रुप के साथ जुड़ा हूँ। छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेके हमने काम किया। हमने एक नाटकों के माध्यम से जागरूकता फैलाई गांव में कि हमारे पड़ोस में, हमारे गांव में कोई ऐसी घटना घटती है, कोई अपनी माँ बहन के साथ कुछ ऐसा दुष्व्यवहार कर रहा है, और वहाँ पे हम जाके उनको समझाना।
We have a three-way strategy to make our society violence-free for women. The first way is to take up state and national level advocacy for the proper implementation of the law through building alliances. Second is to support the survivors of violence with medical and legal counseling through support centers. And lastly, to work with the community to generate awareness. This helps in reduction of incidences of domestic violence.
वैसी बच्ची की शादी हो गई, अमल ठहर गए, जो प्रेग्नेंट औरत है उसकी जो है बिल्कुल खून की कमी रहती और बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम्स आगे जाके डिलीवरी के वक्त कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो सकते हैं।
Our support centers also have inputs from advocates who have been providing support to these survivors on a regular basis.
ताकि कम से कम उसके ऊपर अगर कोई ऐसी मुसीबत आए तो घर के बाहर निकल के पुलिस स्टेशन तक तो जाके।
Recently we got a new act which is Domestic Violence Act, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Earlier we were having 125 CRPC, but there only a woman can claim maintenance for herself or the kids. Now in this act, a woman can claim all the relief within one roof.
Our offices across the country support women and their associations to intensify fight against violence. We adopt strategies that empower women both at policy and practice levels. We involve all, as the issue is too serious not to be left to women alone for fighting.
The counselors in the support centers, they've been trained to work with a situation.
They ask us and request us for this counseling. Then we refer them to our counseling center or the women's support center, which is being run by Oxfam and SWAT. We will see that she gets justice in that regard.
These type of centers are very useful for controlling this domestic violence, and at the same time getting the couple united.
India has strong legislations to protect women from violence of all forms. But laws become effective if they are accessed and used by empowered communities.
दुबक के पचार मा ओके पचार बने सेतबाई का मु तम पाकर कास्तिलो हम हस्बैंड कोइलो सेतबलट पीबाटा टिके कमेला झगड़ा पेटे अट्टा पेटे किछ नै पिला मन को एबे मते सब बल देखछि बोले रहउछे एबे हमें एबे टिके खुशी रे रहउछे
कोइला टाइम रो मो झगड़ा सब किछ करने सेतबलट तुन पल्ले एबे हम काम मोर काम करती मैडम.
Oxfam strengthens their enforcement by empowering women and spreading awareness of the laws.
आम सपोर्ट सेंटर वुमेन सोशल तक को ग्राउंड्स रे राइट्स अछि को से माने केमती पाई परबे सेटा आमे बुझौ
जदि घर रे गंडगोल हेले ताकू आमे गां रे साबार करी देखुछु गां रे मीटिंग करी देखुछु गां रे जदि नै समझिले बोले आपण रायगड़ा बीएफसी ऑफिस के जाउछु सेति मैडम माने अछन सेति आम के सेति ना सेने कथा विचार हई करी मैडम माने लेखा पढ़ा करी तारीख पिटेबे बोले से तारीख रे और गले टिके साबार होचंती आगरे चार भाग रे गुटे भाग एबे टिके शांति रे अछि हरियाण बेसी होथिले एबे टिके जो काम ता स्टार्ट हैला ठो एबे टिके आईन कानून बाहरी लाठो टिके समस्त टिके भी डोरी करी तिरी मान के हरियाण.
The seed of change has been sown. Oxfam India will not rest till it sprouts. We believe our friends in their struggle will not rest till the sprout takes deep roots.
एबे सेमती नै माँ बापा भल रे अछंती हमें भी बहुत खुशी रे अछु.
We have taken up the call. It must be replied with an affirmative reply.
पढ़ाइला परे मिसी घर पढ़ाई कल्चर पढ़ारा जे हेलार आज को 13 दिन अछि.
Stop violence. Act now. Promoting violence-free lives for women. Oxfam India.